My name is Christina Cook, a double alum from NC State ECE, and I'm greeting you from the International Space Station. My journey towards fulfilling my dream of being an astronaut was not an easy one, but following my passion, pushing the limits of my personal boundaries, and having the determination to do what scares me has paid off more than I could ever hoped. I got to contribute to the program that I love so much by stepping out into the vastness of space on my first spacewalk, and by working on some of the coolest science experiments that test the limits of what is possible.
My name is Landon Mackey, and I am in the last 6 weeks of my PhD right now, finishing at NC State. Electrical and computer engineering to me literally looks like the future of the world. If you think of anything that we deal with, it has some type of code running it, it has some type of power system into or out of it. It is the absolute foundation of what modern energy looks like. So that's whether we're producing, generating, transmitting, or building new things all around the world. Everything has become electrified in some way, shape, or form. It's both digital controls and electric power for storage and operation. So the reason I love electrical engineering is because it literally lets me put my foot into anything. I'm a scuba diver, and I work with the Coastal Studies Institute developing ways to harness ocean energy. So the fact that I could still tie the ocean into an engineering field without having to be like marine engineering or biomedical engineering means that I have chosen the right field. I can go to any stretch, any corner of the world and find something completely applicable to my degree, my skill set, and my passion.
My name is Jeremy Gibson. I'm from New Bern, North Carolina. Born and raised. I graduated North Carolina State University with a degree in computer engineering in May of 2003. I've been here just at 15 years. I just passed my 15-year anniversary at NavAir. I'm currently the branch head of the electrical power and wiring group for all of our FSTs that oversee electrical power and wiring for multiple aircraft platforms, including our V-22 and H-53 platforms, which you're here for. So I had no clue what I wanted to do coming out of high school. Excelled in the math and sciences, but I had no idea what that led me to do. So somewhere along the line, I had made up my mind that I was going to work in computing systems of some sort. And I honestly thought that would lead me down an IT path, but I had the prototypical behavior as a young child of taking everything apart that you hear from engineers. I couldn't necessarily always put it back together, but I tried. Duct tape and super glue fixed everything. So I think that when I fell in love with the curriculum at NC State, that's what led me down this career path. And I've loved it ever since, never looked back. So.
You'll be proud of achieving the things that scare you. You'll be proud of becoming the person you imagined yourself to be. You'll be proud of the people around you. And most importantly, you'll be proud to be a graduate of the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering at NC State.